how to fix Royal Match app not working. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can fix Royal Match application not working. Now there are different ways, okay? The first way you can do this is by clearing your storage and clearing your cache data on your real match application. Yes, by doing this you are for stopping the application and then you are relaunching the application. So how do you do so? Head over to settings icon and then open up your settings page, then scroll down until you can see app management or app list depending on the kind of phone you're using, and then just open it up. Then once you can see your app management tab, click on app list. Then in the search box, click on it and type out um Royal Match. Okay, so not typing it out and you're taken to the next page. On this page you can see notifications, permissions, storage and cache. Just go ahead and select storage and cache, then move to the bottom part of the screen where you can see clear storage, clear cache. So just go ahead and click on clear cache, then clear storage, and then once you've done that, you will be asked to relaunch the Real Match application, and then you can do that. Then if you've tried this and the application is still not working, the next thing that you should do is to update the application. Yes, updating the application would really help you. And how do you update the application? Once you're on your app list page, head over to your Play Store and in the search box type out the name of the application, which is Royal Match. Now if you are making use of an Android, head over to your app store, okay, and then find Royal Match, and then on the Royal Match page, that is on the application page, you would see the update button where you can currently see play. You'll see the option update. If there's a recent update on the application, click on it, and then once the application has been updated, it should work. So then another thing you should try is to check your internet connection. All right, ensure you have a stable internet connection by loading other websites or using other apps to verify that your internet is behaving itself. Then if you've tried all that and it's still not working, the next thing you should do is to uninstall the app and reinstall it from your Play Store. All right, you can just try this because sometimes a fresh start might be all you need. And then another thing you can do is to contact the support. All right, reach out to the Real Match support team, and then you'll be able to get the direction on what to do. You can easily go to your Chrome browser and type the research support team for Royal Match, and you'll be able to locate them. So this is how it works. This is how you can fix the various ways you can fix Royal Match app not working. Thank you for watching and have a good day.